Percent is always out of 100. You can look for these words, is and of, and you know that your percent is always going to be out of 100. Or you can find the part or the whole, which is also like the total amount. And then again, you know your percent is always going to be out of 100. So if 20 out of 25 students in this class are passing, that is 20 out of 25. And you know you're going to have your percent out of 100. It says find the percentage, so we don't know that part that are passing. So we're going from 25 to 100. 25 times 4 gives me 100. So do the same thing to the top to find your percentage. So 20 times 4 means that 80% are passing this class. Out of the 120 total 6th grade students, so we know our total or our whole thing goes here. We know our percent, whatever it is going to be out of 100. 25% say math is their favorite subject, so our percent goes here out of 100. How many 6th graders say math is their favorite subject? So how many, we don't know there. It doesn't look very easy to go from 120 to 100, so I'm not going to try that. I'm just going to cross multiply this one. So this becomes 100x equals, and then 120 times 25 is 3,000. So now I have an equation. My variable is x. It's being multiplied by 100. So if I do the inverse operation of divide by 100 on both sides, 100 goes into 3,000 30 times. The school soccer team won 70% of their 20 total games. So total goes here. 70% is out of 100. How many games did the team win? So we don't know that part. So I can go easily from 20 to 100 because 20 times 5 gives me 100. But this time I'm going backwards up here. If you go backwards, you do the opposite, which would be divide by 5. So 70 divided by 5 is 14. So x equals 14. Okay, 30% of 50. So I have my percent, which is 30. I know that's out of 100. Of 50 up here, I remember my of goes on the bottom. And I don't know that part. So I'm going from 50 to 100. That's times 2. But I'm going backwards again. So I do the opposite, which would be divide by 2. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. 75% of 60. So again, 75%, we know that's out of 100. Of 60, of goes on the bottom, and we need to find that part. So it's not easy to go from 60 to 100, so I'll cross multiply again. So that's going to be 100x equals, and then 60 times 75. Is 4,500. Solve the equation by dividing by 100 on both sides. 100 goes into 4,500 45 times.